to show y'all how to do the cowhide bleaching method. What I start off with, of course, this is a dark heather t-shirt, and it kind of gives you the same look as the one that I have on here. And what I use, and don't laugh at me, this is what I had on hand, is this little taco sauce bottle. Filled it up with bleach. I just use straight bleach, and then I'll have some sort of flour on hand to trace my image. And of course I got a good old little glass jar of bleach to bleach the image that I trace. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I do is you scrunch up your shirt. There's really no right or wrong here. Just scrunch it up pretty small. And then get your little bleach bottle, and just you're going to go kind of across and diagonal, however much you want. The more white you're going to have, the less, the more dark you're going to have. I think I did less on this one. So you're just going to, my bottle, you kind of got to squeeze it some. I think I'm going to do a little bit more on this one than I did on this one. And then this is the important part. Scrunch it. Now, wear gloves if you're doing this. It don't bother me, so just scrunch it. The more you scrunch it, I feel like the more it blends in better. Okay? I got me a little towel to clean up all these big spots around it, so I can flip it over. Alright, I'm going to flip it over. And we're just going to do the same to the back. Squeeze your little taco sauce bottle. And scrunch. Like I said, you wear gloves if it doesn't bother me. So, alright, make sure you scrunch. Clean up big bleach spots. You just don't want that on your shirt. And then open it up. Okay. And I'm going to go get my lid and I'm going to put it inside. Clean some of this up. Make sure that lid is in there good. Make sure it's kind of even, that way you don't mess nothing up. Tracing out your image. Okay. Now this is, what I did was I just took a piece of butcher paper and I used it to kind of trace the image that I'm going to be putting on here. That way I don't put my image on top of bleach. So I'm going to do the whole 3-finger method from the collar. Try to center it up the best you can. Get your flour. And I don't really I kind of just throw it on there. You just need a general idea. I don't know if you can see this in the video. I hope you can. It's first time videoing this as like a tutorial type of thing. Okay. Just kind of throw it around. I mean, if you want to, you could really just kind of trace it, but this coconut flour, it don't do too good like normal flour does. Okay. Now that you did that, ooh, bug. Take that off. Get my cup with the bleach. I try to have all my stuff ready to go, because you want to kind of do, ooh, that bug. Go away now. And what I do is I just outline it. Kind of like you do if you're coloring the coloring book, you outline it. And I just use this size little brush. I like how this one does. Kind of gives me some clean edges. It takes a little bit longer to paint it like this, but I like it better than the whole spray look. But if you like that look, I mean, do it that way. It's whatever way you like. There is no right or wrong with bleaching. Hope my phone don't die on me or overheat. Maybe it won't. And I kind of just, after I get the outline, I just start filling it in. I try to do it pretty quick, that way it all kind of bleaches at the same time. If you get impatient, just pour it on there, it'll go all over the place. It'll bleed. So just be patient with it. Like I said, if you want to, you can spray it. But if you like that whole look of it being everywhere like that, you could just pour it on. Like I said, there's no right or wrong, it's however you like it. So. It's hard to tell if you got it all sometimes, but you can come back and hit those spots that you don't think you got very good. You'll be able to tell if it doesn't start going. I did notice after a while that some of these look kind of pinkish, which is fine. I like it. I'm going to try the Heather Navy next. See how that does. I think I'm going to do this side. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, and then we're just going to let that sit and get as white as possible. And then we'll go to the next step. Okay, let's try this again. My phone shut off on me. Overheated. Make sure you have everything ready. You got your bleach bottle, your peroxide, and your hose close by and ready to go. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit these dark spots with the bleach, and you're going to do scrunch method, but you're not scrunching up the whole shirt. So just pick some spots. You gotta kind of be fast with it. Get that out of the way, because it's going to turn pretty quick. So I try to do the back first, because I'm not too worried about the back, and then do the front to make sure that don't get messed up. So we're going to go at it and just, you scrunch like you normally would, but you're just kind of scrunching those areas. I don't know if you can see, but like, just scrunch it, and you're going to put a little bit on there, and then scrunch, and then open it up, and then do another area. I'm just going to do it kind of quick. Okay? Just kind of scrunch it up, put a little bit, scrunch, pull it out, scrunch, a little bit, scrunch it up, pull it out, scrunch. Just choose random areas. If you want more little spots, you can just do a bunch more. One down here. And then you can already see it turning. I left the lid in it this time. I didn't do that last time. It's making it a little bit more difficult. But it bled through the back last time, and I didn't want that. There's some spots. Let's do this right there. Scratch it up, pull it out. Switch it up. I think my table's kind of at a slant. That's not helping either. Get some up here. Switch it up. I think that might be pretty good. Maybe some right here. Alright. I think that looks pretty good. Flip it over. Ooh, let's do the sleeves. Almost forgot to do some of the sleeve. Maybe some right here. Okay, flip it over. Do some of the spots in the front now. Scrunch, sprinkle, scrunch some more. And one over here. Scrunch, open, maybe some right here. Open, definitely some over here. And I don't know if I would do it with the lid on it again. Makes it hard to scrunch it. Okay guys, this is how the shirt came out. Super cute. My phone cut off, but at the last part, I basically just sprayed it all down with peroxide once I got the spots that I wanted. And they change pretty quick, so once they start changing to the color you like, then you just spray it down with the peroxide, both sides, and then get your hose and spray it down. And just soak it. And then just throw it in the wash. But it turned out super cute. Show you the back. Now you don't have as much on the back. You could put some more on there. But it's still super cute. And then also did 2 more. And hold on, and I'll put those in here too. Hold on. Okay, I did these the same way, the whole cowhide method. And this one turned out super cute. It's just like a lighter orange. So that's cute. My little pumpkin on there. And then there, I did this one. Now this one kind of, I don't know if you can tell, like it soaked up the bleach really, really good. So it gave that little, I don't know if I'm crazy about it, but it still turned out super cute. I'll have to look up the colors. I know this is heather orange. I'm not sure about this one. I think it's my first time bleaching a sweatshirt. But it still turned out super cute. There's the back. There's the back of this one. It turned out super cute. Alright, if y'all want to leave a comment, leave it down below. Please like and subscribe. And just make sure to like and comment. That way I can keep making more videos like this. Hopefully that helps y'all. Thank you. Bye.